Last time on Magic and Steel.
Thank you, Stelly.
I don't need your help, Stelly.
That's rather rude.
Yeah, you left your brother to die. Where's his body? So she's saying she didn't do anything. Obviously, she did.
Trying to run.
And I cast blindness. Yes, I do. So during my acrobatics, since it's unnatural, my
23.
spine
What are you
breaks in
doing?
between, but it comes back. I do one of those weird. It's
What
like
are you even doing? Luna. Who's Luna?
Luna, whatever her name is.
Thuna.
She's like Thumbelina.
Fuck at that.
Ew, sorry, guys.
It's a projection from when she died. You know how ghosts like have that projection of when they last died? She keeps asking questions.
What do you speak of? I was here the whole time.
Oh, snap. I told you.
Do you know who we are?
Nope. Hammer
Hit
time.
him. Hit him. Get wrecked.
Wait.
No,
Listen,
So satisfying.
1/8 of his health.
Lightning zaps into this half Thuna, half Zul. As he's taking the electricity.
Shakon, I think I peed.
Nunu, Shakon, and Geb are out of the entanglement, and Rashandala and Escalus are entangled in these black, slimy, squirmy things.
Oh, my back. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a quest for Magic and Steel.
Oh, yeah.
That's STEELE. Don't forget the last D for entertainment.
Bet you guys know that already.
So we're going to jump right into it because we are up against it. We have come up to facing Zul.
All right.
So we hand things over to Amara, the DM.
The last thing that happened was you were all entangled in these weird, gross, ebony, slimy things.
I don't think I was.
I was not entangled. I was standing on it, but it did not entangle me.
Yes, but you guys were all in the entanglement. Now, Rashandala and Escalus were lifted up slightly in the entanglement and stuck. Nunu, Shakon, and Geb, you were able to maneuver as it was coming up from the ground and everywhere, away from all of the tentacles, so you weren't stuck in it, but you're still in that area. So on your turn, you're going to have to move your location, and it's a disadvantage.
I thought it's just difficult terrain and we have to use
Yeah, difficult terrain.
we
Sorry,
use
I don't know why.
half of our movement to move the normal amount.
Yep.
Do you remember the plan, Shaco?
What plan? Okay, so that ended with Zul, and it comes up back to the order of things. Shakon, you are first.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I was first, which was a first. Oh no, I'm gonna.
What is
save
my
that.
cloud of daggers doing? It's so you're out of it?
It's
Remember that?
at the start of
He stepped out of it,
his
though.
turn. Oh,
He stepped
He
out
stepped
of it.
out
So
of
the
it.
cloud of daggers is literally just a cloud of daggers
Behind you?
behind him. Yes, it's just kind of chilling there. Now, if you guys were to like press him back, he would go back into it. But
Dude, I'll just run up and drop kick him.
okay,
Or no, that's Shay's thing. Never mind.
Okay,
you would bore him to death.
I'd like hit him and then fall back.
tentacles are a 20-foot
wouldn't
square.
Oh, wow.
I'm gonna do.
Is it 20 by 20?
I'm gonna do Ray of Sickness, and I'm gonna use a second level slot for that. So I need to make a ranged spell attack. I have a feeling it's not gonna hit. 10.
You do not hit.
Cool. Well, then the reason I miss is because I was casting it while I was running to Geb.
Role play that.
All right. Okay, hold on. I need to get in.
Get the shake
into
on.
it. Yeah, I need to get into it.
Ma.
La, la, la. All right, Geb, I'm coming to you. Just follow my lead. My lead, yes.
Okay.
Take that, Master. After all I did for you, this is how you repay me. I thought you were a good man.
He just kind of turns to the side, and it doesn't hit him.
You still want to be on your team. You missed on purpose.
Do you see what I'm
I
not,
see what you're trying
All right,
to do, and you want to be on their
next-
team.
I'm running through tentacles. It's hard
Next
to aim.
in the play is Rashandala. Rashandala, you are entangled. So you can use your action to make a strength or dexterity check against the spell DC.
Okay.
Oh, and you also take 3d6.
What?
You also take 3d6 damage for starting in the tentacles.
No. Thanks. No thanks.
Sorry, 17. I rolled 2 6s.
Don't we only have like one healer and he can only heal like
And he never heals,
Once.
so LOL.
we should have got like someone
Okay.
who with like had healing powers on this team.
I can heal. I have a healing
heal.
spell. So does Nunu.
Yeah, but it's like
We just
But-
don't use it.
Do you guys ever?
They're showing you tough love.
I only got 13.
You'll
You
live.
hit.
Okay.
Wait, is it same?
Same.
If it's the same, it hits. Yeah, you hit.
Well, I mean, that's up to your discretion.
Yeah, you
Let
hit.
me free.
Oh wait, hold on. That's the spell
Oh.
DC. Actually, his spell DC is probably higher. I was
You're
thinking of
fake.
his
You just want me
Spell
trapped.
DC. What do you mean his
Why is
spell
it a spell DC?
Because she's trying to break out of a spell.
Because she bends the rules for her own benefit.
Yeah.
Are
Sure.
you talking about Rashandala's trying to break out?
Yeah, no. You don't break that.
You
Sorry.
don't break that.
No. You have another action though. You could try again.
I guess. See if I get hit again. Well, I got a nat 1, so it's not working out for me.
Joe, hand that to me.
I'm just not feeling it.
So back to the turn order. Nunu.
Uh-oh.
Y'all 10.
Y'all ready for this?
Suddenly a concert breaks out. Soul's very confused.
I shall attempt to bestow a curse upon him.
Okay. So
Which I have no idea how to do.
what is it? What is it called? Bane.
It's called bestow curse.
called
if he's bestowing a curse.
So
They're gonna make a wisdom saving throw against his DC.
Yeah.
It's a second level.
It says third.
It's a
Oh, it's a
third.
third level.
Yeah.
I thought it was second. Hex is second, I think.
touch a creature, and the creature must succeed on a wisdom saving throw.
You want to pick the one.
Well, you got to touch him.
Yeah, you do have to touch him.
So how do I do that?
Run up and
You
touch
got
him.
to. So roll.
Touch it.
You got to get out of this. And no, wait, you're not entangled.
not
So you
tangled.
need to move.
Okay.
So you have half of your speed to move. So what? 15. 10 feet. You're out of the entanglement, and you can go another 5 feet. And I'm pretty sure he's still.
Well, if he's technically
Well, 10
out of
feet.
the
If I'm out of it, then I have another 15. I have 15 to go.
Well, you use
No, you use
you'd have
20
another.
of it to move 10 feet.
Yeah.
Oh, so I have 5 left.
No.
What?
So there, you were in the center of the entanglement.
Okay.
Okay. You move 10 feet out of there. It actually takes 20 of your movement, so you technically have
That's
5.
what I
Five left.
just said.
Yeah.
Yep,
And
I
I
got
said
you.
that.
And then you said no, and then
Right. Okay.
Well, I didn't
We're on page.
understand the
We're
way
on
you
the
said
same
it,
page.
so I had to say it again.
fight.
fight you.
So
Okay.
you are 5 feet out of the entanglement, but you are still 10 feet away from Zoo.
Understood.
Okay. So I
What-
did all that move and I can't do my.
Zul's out of that area, correct? Oh, he's in the middle, so it doesn't matter. Okay, never mind.
He's a zombie.
What
That
is
seems
that?
to be a favorite.
Okay. It takes 3d8 thunder damage. Or half.
What's
Thunder.
the
Thundercats.
con save? What's the save?
It would be mine, right?
yeah, what's your DC?
DC.
DC would be in your
Go
spells.
to the purple
Go to
page.
the purple page.
purple page.
In your
Yes.
app.
DC is 14.
Okay.
And that's all I say? Is 14?
Yeah, he doesn't make it, so he
So it's
gets,
3d8. Am I doing it or you?
I can. I have him already.
She has the fun tower. She wants to do it.
Yes.
A 7, a 2, and a 4. 13 damage from Shatter. And you guys, as that goes off, you start to hear a rumbling, and little rocks and stuff start falling from the ceiling.
Look out!
Uh-oh.
No. Be careful.
Okay, now it is Geb's turn.
Where are these rocks falling? Are they hitting him?
No, they're not hitting anyone.
Okay.
They're just falling from the sides.
Okay.
So, like, the building's kind of crumbling. Just a little bit.
Rumbly.
Sorry. It was a little too loud.
Okay, I guess. All right, well, on my turn.
Wait, I didn't even roll for initiative, did I?
Yeah, you did.
Did
You're
we
at
do
the
that?
end.
Yeah, we
Heh.
did it. We did
Oh,
it.
that was
time.
last time. Okay.
So,
There's-
Geb.
On my turn, with Nunu next to me and Crest on,
No. Shake on.
or Shakon.
I'm
that
close
look
to.
she gave you. No.
So I'm
Shake
close
on.
to Zul now. I'm a
Yeah,
5
you're
feet
10
away?
feet away from him.
10.
Watch out, buddy. You like right in front of him.
I'm going to use my action to cast Polymorph on myself, and I turn into a young, I think young bronze dragon.
So like a little baby is
No,
tall
like
as Stelly.
No.
like
Dragon baby noise. I can breathe fire, I promise.
Right.
That was awesome.
I can breathe fire, I promise.
Right.
He's a young
Brian,
man
you have to do that
dragon.
voice.
I can breathe fire, I promise.
I'm a fire breathing dragon. I'm a fire breathing
Feel
dragon.
A fire breathing dragon. Okay. Anyway, then I use my movement to fly 80 feet in the air with Shakon on my back.
Oh
right.
snap!
How
Are you
big
sure
is
you're
this
big
place?
enough for
So
that?
I'm pretty sure this
Yes.
room goes up
60.
like 60. So you can only get
And I fly up
You
60
remember
feet in the air.
Hey, hey,
And hit
hey.
your head on the ceiling, and then all of it crumbles down.
I've never felt so alive.
Shakon is flying on top of a young baby gold.
And he's
It's not a baby,
bronze.
it's young.
Bronze
He's
dragon.
not
It's still pretty
afraid.
big.
He's actually quite exhilarated and like pumped up now. And that's
That doesn't
that's a
work.
big deal.
Nah, nope.
Okay,
You don't
Geb,
know me.
Anything else?
I don't tell you how to live your life.
That's my turn.
You just fly.
Oh
All right.
my! Go Geb!
not Geb
Behold
anymore.
the wizard and his dragon.
That's what I look like.
Aeschylus, your turn.
Stelly, where are
He's
you?
not that small.
I'm behind
Okay, stay back.
you. Okay.
He's not even small.
So useless. I'm stuck in the vine.
I can't do
Does
anything
anyone
for
care?
you, Charlotte.
But
Aren't you
can.
like Vine Lady?
Right? Aren't you a vine
Yes.
lady?
Can't you control them?
No, I'm not.
Talk to
Those
them.
are tentacles. Aeschylus, you take 7 damage.
For
Just the
talking?
talking.
From being it's your turn. From being in the tentacles.
Oh, okay.
You take damage.
can't talk.
Shut up, Aeschylus. You take 7 damage.
The DM's pissed.
Shut up, Mokuba.
And now you have...
Stelly, don't you have a little sword? You can try to cut them.
It's not my turn yet.
Oh, I didn't know you had a turn. Okay, my
We're
bad.
all just sitting there like frozen talking.
No, I gotta say, I love that when you go like that. Yeah.
Good. Wait. All right, so Aeschylus, your turn. You got damage from the tentacles because you are stuck. Now you have to roll a strength or a dex save to see if you can get out of it.
Dex. Oh wait, my strength
Dexter's
save.
laboratory.
My strength is better. So.
All right, roll it.
Rolling.
How about you shake it and not just
No,
roll?
not like that, because that's what she does and it goes
Oh.
flying.
We got to keep the cup like that.
Do what you
What'd
want.
you roll?
Nat 20.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
I'm not really sure. It's like between 14 and 20. But
What do you mean
yeah.
you're not sure?
It's a 14.
Dude, it was on 20. It was on the corner.
It's a
You
14.
fake.
You moved it.
It's a 14.
You
Dude,
should
she's
move
just
it.
trying to
I
not
did
like
not
get me
move
out.
it.
You showed the
Yeah,
DM.
yeah,
You should
right.
have just
so
bluffed
14
like
plus your
Brian.
strength.
Plus
save.
4, it's 18.
All right,
outta here.
so Aeschylus is able to get out of the entanglement. Now, that was your action, but you can use your move action to get out of it. Totally out of it. It's 10 feet away, like 10 feet to get out. So you could move your move action and then still have 20 feet to move.
Move.
Wait, you have 30. You'd still have 10 feet to move outside of the
Move.
entanglement.
It's not going to hurt you to move. You want to move. You need to get out of it.
You can move up to Zul.
All right.
You can engage him in battle.
Yeah, but I can't
Two-handed.
attack him.
Why not?
Can I?
Why
Didn't
not?
I already use like my action to get out of the thing?
Oh.
That. Oh yeah, but you can move up to him.
Wait, or is
and
that
then
a
get
save?
punched in the
Is that a
face.
save? Is that actually an action, guys?
It is your action.
It is an action?
It's you use your action.
The save
to
is an
get
action?
out
This
of
isn't
Okay,
a rest
okay.
right now. It's not.
So now he used his action to get out. Now he wants to move towards Zul. That's his move, right?
No.
I don't know. What are you doing?
I'm gonna get out and stay there and wait.
So you're
Wait.
right up next to Nunu.
Yeah, I'm not
You-
going up to him
He's
because I
not.
can't attack
Saying
him.
he's not. But why would you just sit there? Isn't that
Because
a
I'm not
waste?
walking up there just to get like beat
Well,
up.
he can't attack. He used
can't
his
do
action
anything.
to get out of the entanglement.
Wow.
I'm not running up
Who's
there.
spineless now?
What?
Okay.
You're the fighter.
I thought you'd
I
run
don't
right up
want
to
to be
him.
near him because he's gonna hit me.
It's because I can't attack him. Like, what am I supposed to do? I can't do any counters.
All right, next is
Ah,
Zool.
Right.
Stare
Or
down.
Stelly. Is it Stelly's turn?
Right.
Beat him in a staring contest.
Well,
Stelly, cut Rashandala loose.
Pixies can
You
only
do
use
well
one
to do that.
big spell per day.
Yeah, but
She has a knife
She's
sword.
not.
She has a knife.
She has a little
She's
pick
not
knife.
a
Since
regular
when?
pixie.
She's like a little
Since we
rapier
got
thing.
our stuff.
And
You got your
yeah,
dupe.
like a
Oh
pin.
yeah, that's right. She got like a little safety
She's-
pin.
Yeah.
and Stelly's not a regular pixie.
That's right. Don't forget.
She's a level 20 wizard. Like, come on.
Yeah.
She's fake.
She is OP.
Literally.
With capital P.
So
Little O, big P.
I'm sorry, Rashadla, I can't do anything for you.
Yeah, because you're not trying. I get
There's
it.
nothing
I'm being
I can use.
right. Well, obviously, I'm the one that's being targeted this entire match. It's not right.
Sorry.
There's no justice here.
All right. So bear with me.
Rashandala's wearing my shoes.
Know what
Really?
Stelly can do. I do know what she can do, but it's been a while since I've
Been
looked
a
up.
while.
I mean, I have the
been a while.
stat block in front of me.
Yeah, but
Beep.
she's not.
Yeah, I know, but I can at least tell you
been a
the
while.
spells that they have access to.
She has access to everything.
Every single thing ever.
But she just doesn't want to use it on me.
She has tapped
I
the
get
knowledge of unseen power.
Third eye.
All right.
Yo, she closed Rashandala's third eye.
Right.
Beast.
Rashandala never even had it.
Oh. Actually, so she's going to cast Dispel Magic. And it's going to affect the tentacles. And the tentacles are going to die and disperse. And
Wow, took you long enough. I had to get damaged for that.
Hey, I'm sorry, you had your turn before me.
This is the real world. We don't take turns.
Yeah, just attack. Why are we taking turns? This is so stupid.
This is all happening so quickly!
Dragon, attack.
Okay, now it's Zool's turn.
Yeah, because
What?
Why is the dragon just flying there?
if this like went in this time frame, it would be 10. No, Zool, no, it's not your turn. Oh, I'm sorry.
Stand by. We're still hitting you.
He doesn't just fly up into the air with a huge dwarf on his back. It takes some time to get up there. 60 feet.
I might just miss accidentally with my arrow. Almost there.
Yeah.
Just keep breathing. That's the key.
All right, so Zool, who now you see as Zool, he has dark robes on and he doesn't look normal anymore. He's just
He's a zombie.
I imagine Solus from Dragon Age Inquisition
Ew.
mixed with Voldemort.
Oh my.
yes.
Ew.
Yeah, he doesn't have any hair.
I thought he had
he's
hair.
kind
So-
of has,
I've
like,
imagined him
grayish-
bald this whole time.
Soon his
Yeah.
hair just fell off him altogether.
Yeah, because remember he was
He was
the hair
thin.
was
And maybe a
falling
little
off.
bit of Gollum in there.
Yeah, so like
Ew.
he's like
That's
a
too
darkish, a weird grayish color. He has a weird grayish color to him. His ears
He's a zombie.
don't look right either. They're all pointy and
Wait, is
come
he an
out
elf?
weird. Yes.
Yo, he's
Oh
like
my
he's
gosh,
like
he's
the
an elf.
first Voldemort from the Sorcerer's Stone in the back of that guy's head, all squishy looking.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah, but that's the back of a guy's
He
head.
looks
Oh,
all black,
wacky
and his
looking.
eyes are fully black,
nice.
and he's just wearing like a black robe kind of thing. You can't really see much.
I
else.
forgot that he was an elf.
So
It's always the elves, man. They
He
always like
looks
try to
up
take over the world.
towards the dragon. shakes his head
Oh,
and starts
They
to
have too
fly
much
up
time
to
and
the
power.
dragon.
Wait, he starts to fly?
So he starts to fly. So
my
now
gosh.
he.
uh-oh. Gib, look out!
We got this.
Yeah, he's face to face with the dragon and Shakon now. And yeah, that's all he'll do now.
So he's just sitting there looking at it.
Just sitting there,
Yeah,
looking at it.
he's just sitting there looking at the
I
dragon.
see we don't pose as a
He's kind of
threat.
like floating.
Oh my god, that's creepy. I wish everybody could see you right now.
He's
Nice
like,
swaying. oh
he's
my
like-
god.
His head stays
Yeah,
where
head's
it is.
solid. Yeah,
and
just staring
like
at the dragon.
The black robe is just kind of
No, it's like Voldo
swaying side
from
to side.
Soul Calibur.
Sure. All right. So now it is
No one?
up to the top. Shakon.
He's right in front of us.
Yeah, he's staring you down. He just floated up to you.
Jump onto him.
All right.
Start beating him up.
Tell him you want to get back into his good graces. Go ahead.
He's not undead, is he?
No.
No, he's not. Okay, good.
Then what is he?
I'm a use blight, which doesn't require any sort of attack roll, and he needs to make a con save.
Necromancy takes a toll on the flesh.
Love that.
His con save is a 16.
You're honestly doing this on purpose.
What?
Making him OP.
Well, yeah, he's
the
the
big
final
boss.
person. Goodness. Okay. He takes 8d8 necrotic damage.
Did he do anything to the? What was the con save?
Con save.
It's your spell DC. What's your
Yes.
spell DC?
We agreed that if it matches, it beats, right?
Yeah.
Oh, then never mind. He beats.
Okay. So what is it? 8d8.
Yeah, it was 8d8.
This is 5.
But is it half that
Well-
then?
Yeah, it's half it.
So half of 88?
Yeah, whatever we get, it's half that.
34. Halved is
15, 16, 17.
17.
Still pretty good for half.
Yeah.
All right. So he was just blighted. This weird darkness,
Dark purple.
purplish stuffed cloud thing comes out of Shakon's hand as he points to Zool atop the Geb dragon,
The Geb dragon.
and it starts to flow, and it's weird like bubbles and stuff, and it hits Zool, and he just takes it. He's just still floating there.
So
His
so this dark purple aura is coming out of Shakon's like quarterstaff in his hands, and his eyes are turning like a purple type of color, and Zul's just kind of like, or like sucking it up with his like mouth or something, like, and just kind of eating it, and
it
like
sucks into him, and it takes
Natsu.
like his whole
Like, it
face
physically-
and but it just disappears into his skin, kind of.
yeah. He takes it, but he ain't showing that
He
it
takes it, but
takes
yeah,
any
but He ain't
damage.
showing anything. So now it is Rashandla, your
This
turn. You are out of the entanglement, Rashandla, because of me. I got you.
I thought it was. Oh no, you're
Fist
after.
bump.
me.
Fist finger bump.
Fist punch. Okay.
I just
So
transferred.
he's up in the air. We can't hit him.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, can't we?
I have a crossbow.
Because I have
She got tiger jump.
javelin.
Tiger jump. And
I also
javelin.
have tiger
That's right.
jump. LOL.
And you're raging.
So-
you get double hits.
What is the range of a
get
javelin?
double
Isn't it
hits
40 or
anyway.
30? Okay, so you have 30 feet to throw
Hit
your javelin.
normally.
Normally.
120.
120 is at
disadvantage.
disadvantage. He is 60 feet away from you.
So it's
So
going to be at
It's
disadvantage.
going to be at disadvantage. So you're going to have to
Wait,
roll.
can't she move 30 feet and then throw it?
He's in the air.
Can I jump? I've
You
tried
can
can
jump
jump.
only 10 feet.
Is that right?
that.
Your tiger
That
jump.
sounds fake.
10 feet?
Yeah, look into your features. I'm pretty sure it's only 10 feet.
My speed improves by 10 feet. My whole thing was messed up, so I actually don't know.
Oh, yeah. Well, it shouldn't be in there anyway, but.
Well, it's not.
Well,
Okay.
I'm pretty sure. I mean, nobody else can really jump 10 feet high. That's
Listen,
ridiculous.
I gain
She's a
advantage
10
on
feet.
Jump 10 feet.
strength. Okay. based
A tiger
attacks,
can't even jump 10 feet.
so-
But that's not a strength-based attack. Throwing a javelin, it's dexterity
They probably
because
can.
it's a throw.
Not in the
But
air.
you can use your strength
Maybe like
modifier.
long
Pretty
ways,
sure.
but not in
it's
the air.
in your javelin
know. I think
stat.
they might be
So
able
roll
to.
2d20s and take
Just
the
like
lesser.
sitting there
I'm just
and then
gonna
just jump up like
throw
that.
my axe.
No, you just throw your javelin.
Yeah.
Oh
They
man.
got some powerful legs, dude. If they really like put all their force into the jump, I'm sure they could jump 10 feet straight up.
Probably.
I have 2 in here. So take the lesser.
Yeah.
Okay, well I got 9 then.
Plus,
Plus 4.
so 13, you hit.
Okay.
Oh no, plus 7. Yeah, for the hit.
Okay, you hit.
And then 1d6 plus 4.
Roll your 1d6.
Okay.
You're right. Plus 7.
6.
So 10 plus 4, right? You rolled a
Yeah.
6.
6 plus
Yo, wait, you should do a thing where I throw Nunu like into the air and then
Finally,
she
good
jumps
roll.
off of him and does another tiger jump.
All right, so Nunu, it is your turn.
Dang, nabbit!
What the heck just happened?
You can throw another javelin if you want.
Yeah, I have 2
Oh, she gets two
moves.
Okay.
moves.
Go ahead, throw another javelin.
She's got a bag of
Did that
javelins.
not hit him?
No, it hit him. So a javelin flies through the air. It's kind of
Wobbly.
because it's a little wobbly because it's going farther than it normally would, but it hits into Zul's leg. What looks like he has a leg in the cloak area.
It's just
Man,
The leg
it's-
area of the cloak.
He kind of looks at it and breaks
Ooh.
the javelin.
well, I
Is
just
the other
it's
part
still
just sitting
sticking in him.
Ew.
I just threw another one. It could be a hand axe, or I mean, they're the same thing to me.
Use a javelin,
So I got
it's
4
funny.
plus 4, 8.
You do not hit that one. So
What do you
she
mean?
throws.
That's my damage.
No, you need to roll at disadvantage.
Lord
D20s.
have mercy.
She was rolling the damage for the one that hit.
She already rolled the damage for
All
that.
right. Well, I got 11 plus 7.
Roll a
so
second D20.
I did.
So the
I have
lowest,
2.
the lowest was 11. Okay, so you hit him again. Roll for that damage. You got 8. That was plus your 4, so 4 plus 4 is 8. Okay. So
He getting hit.
What?
He getting hit.
He's getting hit. So he gets hit with one javelin to the leg, and then the other javelin gets a little higher. They're still both wobbling through the air as they go towards Zul, but they hit him towards
takes
the
the-
hip and leg area. He takes it, and he looks at the javelins, and he just puts his arm up and breaks the wood off of the javelin. So they're still sticking in him. But he
Ew.
breaks
He seems
off.
like the kind of sicko that would like actually take it out of his leg and then like lick it.
Yeah, he doesn't care. It's
I mean,
still sticking in him,
how
but
big
your
is the
javelins are
javelin?
now broken. You can't get those back.
A javelin is a
you
javelin.
only have whatever else.
Have you ever seen a javelin?
Yes.
Yeah, I have the.
My God.
All right, so now it is Nunu's turn.
Oh my.
Anybody need healing?
That would be me. I'm only at 52.
Only.
Oh my god!
I'm fine. I'm at 55.
I
I'm
love that.
I hate all of you guys. Like my god.
I'm only at 52.
This is like the
Oh my
lowest
god,
I've
I
been.
got a paper cut. I'm not gonna make it, guys.
Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, once again for riding along with us. You can reach us on Twitter at Empire Steel, STEELE. Don't forget the last E for entertainment. Also, send us an email. Just say hi. Say whatever you want. We'll check the email and talk back to you. How about that? It's pods@steelempire.com. And what else? Facebook. We're on Facebook at
and-
Steel Pods.
Yeah, we have Instagram
We're
a
on
little bit.
Instagram.
And yeah, and like
We have a YouTube page with nothing on it. And what else?
we need to get that some ready. So yeah, if you guys know anyone who likes to be on Reddit and knows how to use Reddit as well, we do need a Reddit moderator,
Yes.
because we'd
Someone
like
to
to
work for the
get
Empire.
our information out through the Reddit world. That would be great.
Join us.
Yeah,
We
so
will not
just hit
make
us
you
up,
into
send
a
us
clone.
a hello, a DM or a on
Email.
Twitter or an email. Yeah, yeah, please.
Great.
All right, we out. Everybody say goodbye.
Peace.
See ya.
Cool. I think we're good. Peace. Bye.
Peace.
Out.
Bye, guys.
Girl Scout.
See ya.